Hello class 10th student, this is your chapter number 1 from your book Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. The story is about a dog named Tricky, a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating cream cakes and chocolates, so one day, when Mrs. Pumphrey is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator of the story is Mr. Harry, sees them and stops to talk. While talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky, means giving a diet which is not required by the dog, and also had been giving him things that she shouldn't eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a bolted sausage. Soon Tricky got unwell and Mrs. Pumphrey had to call Mr. Harriet, the narrator, for help. She does not want to send him away, but the only way suggested by Mr. Harriet is to get him hospitalized for at least 15 days. Then the story unfolds into how he gets unwell, how he gets well, what are the things that were given by the narrator to make Tricky well. Let's start our story. Let's start our story with Tricky's illness. The narrator of the story is Mr. Harriet. He is a veterinary surgeon. He was really worried about the dog. Its name was Tricky. He was shocked to see it with its mistress. It had become hugely fat. Its eyes had become red. Its tongue come out from its jaws. It was in a state of disease. The narrator, Mr. Harriet, who is a veterinarian doctor as well as a writer, he tells that when he saw Tricky, he realizes the condition of the dog is very bad. But what happened that time? The condition which has become very bad due to the overfeeding of Mrs. Pumphrey is increasing day by day. And soon he knew that the dog is going to be ill. And that thing happened. What happened that day? The dog became hugely fat. His eyes become red. The tongue of the dog is coming out from the mouth, from the jaws. And it was in a state of disease. A disease which they have to cure as soon as possible. Who is responsible to make Tricky ill? So, here we have our topic, that is Tricky's mistress made Tricky ill. The mistress of the dog was Mrs. Pumphrey. She told Mr. Harriet that the dog seemed to have no energy. So she gave it more malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. She also gave it some cream cakes and chocolates. Despite Harriet's refusal, it was a rich diet. According to Mr. Harriet, who is responsible for Tricky's illness? Mrs. Pumphrey. Why? Because according to Mrs. Pumphrey, when she saw that dog doesn't have any energy, it is low on energy, so she used to give cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks, lots of malts, chocolates, and these things were refused by Mr. Harriet. He was saying that no need to give these kinds of things because these things are very dangerous for a dog because you are overfeeding your dog. Now Harriet gives warning to Mrs. Pumphrey. What kind of warning he gives? Harriet looked at the dog again. Its big trouble was that it had become greedy. Who became greedy? The dog. Because whatever the things you are giving to the dog on his bowl, he used to eat them. It did not refuse food. Harriet asked Mrs. Pomfrey if she had been giving the dog plenty of exercise. So, yes, of course, if you are feeding your dog so much, then you are also giving your dog a plenty of exercise. But what happened? She said she had not. Harriet warned her if she didn't cut its food and gave it more physical exercise, it would be really ill. So what Mr. Harriet is saying to Mrs. Pumphrey, Mrs. Pumphrey, he was saying that you are giving a lot of food to your dog. You are giving whatever your dog wants, but you are not giving plenty of exercise. And he was saying that if you didn't give him plenty of exercise, then I can tell you that your dog is going to be seriously ill. And that thing happened. So, what happened? She said that he was right, but it was difficult for her. She was saying that it was very difficult for her to give his dog a plenty of exercise, because whatever the dog wants for eating, she used to feed him. But according to Mr. Harriet, if you are feeding your dog a lot, then you have to give your dog a plenty of exercise too. This is the time when they have to hospitalize Tricky. According to the narrator, now they have to hospitalize Tricky. Means Tricky to be in hospital. Within next few days, Mrs. Pumphrey told Mr. Harriet that Tricky didn't eat anything. Yes, why he eat? Because he is becoming fat. He is becoming ill. He means Tricky. It refused to eat even its favorite dishes. It spent all its time lying panting. The narrator had made his plans in advance. What were the plans? The plans were that they have to hospitalize Tricky. He suggested that Tricky should be hospitalized for about a fortnight. The lady almost became unconscious. She was sure that it would die if he did not see Tricky. The lady was saying if something happens to Tricky, then it is sure that she is going to die because she loves Tricky so much. Tricky in hospital. What happened when Tricky is in hospital? When Mr. Harriet is taking Tricky to the hospital, the narrator took the dog in his car. Mrs. Pumphrey gave Tricky's belongings like bed, cushions, toys, various bowls, coats, etc. When Mr. Harriet is taking Tricky to the hospital, what Mrs. Pumphrey did? She was taking all his belongings like bed, cushions, toys, various bowls in which he used to eat, his coats. At the hospital, Tricky looked down at other dogs. When they reached hospital, Tricky was looking at other dogs. Then what happened? All the dogs came near to Tricky. They sniffed around it and ignored it. Because there is no movement in Tricky. They think that it is just a thing which doesn't have any movement in his body. So all the dogs came there, they sniffed Tricky and they ignored at once Tricky. After reaching to the hospital, it's time for the treatment of Tricky. Tricky's treatment. The narrator kept an eye on Tricky for 2 days. He gave it plenty of water but no food. On the 3rd day, it started whimpering on seeing other dogs. Whimpering means there is some kind of movement. He started doing something by seeing the other dogs. It followed them down the garden. Why? Because only for 2 days, the narrator means Mr. Harriet didn't give him any food. What he was giving him? He was giving him plenty of water. He took Tricky to the garden. It followed them down the garden. Who followed them down the garden? Tricky. Tricky followed all the dogs to the garden because all the dogs were there in the surgery. They used to go to the garden. Later that day, other dogs had their food. So, in the surgery, they were giving food to the other dogs. When they had finished, Tricky walked round the bowl he also licked them. It meant he was hungry. It was given some food. Now, what happened? Mr. Harriet giving food to all the dogs at once, but he didn't give Tricky any food in his bowl which was kept by Mrs. Pumphrey. So, what happened? Later that day, other dogs had their food, but they had finished. Okay, they finished their food, and when Tricky reaches there, Tricky walked around the bowl. He take a round around the bowl, but there was no food because the food was eaten by the other dogs. So what Tricky was doing, he also licked them. It meant he was hungry. It was given some food. Now, after this, Tricky shows some improvement. Tricky started to show progress. Tricky shows some improvement. Now what happened? Tricky started to show progress. It was given no medicinal treatment. There were no medicines which were given by Mr. Harriet to the Tricky. It ran about with the other dogs all day. He used to run all day with the other dogs. It discovered the joy of being with other dogs. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pumphrey continued ringing regularly. She asked various questions about Tricky, but the narrator told her that the dog was out of danger. So when Tricky was in the surgery, means in hospital, Mrs. Pumphrey used to call Mr. Harriet regularly, on a regular basis, checking that how his dog is doing. And Mr. Harriet didn't tell her that what kind of treatment he is giving to Tricky. What he was saying that the dog is out of danger. When Tricky becomes alright, means Tricky is getting well. He is out of danger. He is out of that. The dog is becoming a bolted sausage. That he was very fat. Now he has become very good. The condition of the dog is very good. So what happened that day? Mrs. Pumphrey started to bring round fresh eggs to build up Tricky's strength. The narrator began giving Tricky wine before during the meal. The dog began to drink brandy also. Tricky now had one extra egg in the morning. Now what happened? Mrs. Pumphrey had a lot of questions in her mind. So what she was doing? She used to give egg, she used to give wine, she used to give brandy. But narrator, Mr. Harriet, is not giving anything to Tricky. It had wine at noon and brandy in the evening. Who had wine and brandy? The narrator, Mr. Harriet. The things which were given for Tricky, now narrator is using those things for himself. Now what happened? After a fortnight, the narrator rang her up saying the dog was all right. Mrs. Pumphrey comes to take Tricky home. Mrs. Pumphrey arrived at the narrator's surgery in a big car. She asked him if the dog was better. The narrator told her that the dog was fine. Now what happened? Mr. Harriet called Mrs. Pumphrey and he was saying that your dog is out of danger. He is doing good. Now you can take your dog to home. So Mrs. Pumphrey arrived at narrator's surgery and she took Tricky to home. The narrator told her that the dog was fine. He would bring it to her. When Tricky saw its mistress, it ran into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. It began licking her face and barking. What happened when Mrs. Pumphrey reached to the surgery in his big car? The narrator, who already told that your dog is fine, she reached there to take Tricky home. When she reaches there, Tricky saw his mistress and he ran towards Mrs. Pumphrey. He directly jumped on the lap of Mrs. Pomfrey and started licking her face and started barking. So, by all these things, we understood one thing. What was that? Tricky's cure is a triumph of surgery. The narrator helped the driver to bring out all the Tricky's various things, which he never used for Tricky. These were Tricky's bed, toys, cushions, coats, and bows, which were sent by Mrs. Pomfrey when Tricky is coming for his treatment. They had not been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pomfrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lip trembled. She told the narrator that it was a triumph of surgery. When Mr. Harriet giving all the treatment to the dog, now Tricky becoming well, he was doing good. Mrs. Pomfrey leaned out of the window and he looking towards Mr. Harriet, and the eyes of Mrs. Pomfrey were filled with tears. And what she was saying to Mr. Harriet? She was saying to Mr. Harriet, that it was a triumph of surgery. Whatever you have did to my dog, it was really a victory for us and a new life for our dog, Tricky. Thank you, students. This is all for your chapter, The Triumph of Surgery.